everyone, today I'm going to show you how to adjust your handling time for merchant fulfilled orders. Handling time is the time between when the buyer places the order until you hand that over to your carrier. So let's go ahead and get started and show you how to change your handling time. First thing you want to do is go to sellercentral.amazon.com and log in. Once you log in and you're on your homepage, hover over settings in the top right corner. Go down and select shipping settings. Now select the tab named General Shipping Settings. You'll scroll down to the section labeled Handling Time. Now you're going to select Edit. From here you can choose either 1 or 2 day handling time for your merchant fulfilled orders. I keep mine on 2 days during Q1 through Q3, and I'll move it to 1 day during Q4. Once you have selected your handling times, hit Save, and that's going to be it. Now I do want to speak briefly on the section below. This section is labeled Order Handling Capacity. This section allows for you to set a limit of how many orders you can handle in a day. This will help protect your late shipment rate and avoid receiving more orders than you can manage. Once the limit is reached, additional orders will have 1 day automatically added to their handling time. If you choose to, enter your order capacity and click Save. That's going to be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.